This might have been a mid-rise, I don't know, but hi y'all, welcome to my channel. My name is Ann and today I am opening a Stitch Fix box. I have it right here. I have opened the box, but I have not even pulled out the bundle. But before I get started, I got an extra Christmas present this year in that I got COVID. And so I am over it, but I still have the lingering after effects. Basically, it was a cold, a bad cold, but I'm not fighting it off as quickly as I had hoped. But let me pull this out. Stitch Fix's styling service, and I'll put all the information down below in the description. You fill out a style profile, giving them your wants, needs, size, colors, all those things, and they will curate some looks for you. They also right now are doing a preview. They will send you 10 items and you can pick 5. So you can basically pick everything because 5 is what they send you. Keep what you love, send back what you don't in a postage paid envelope. They give you style suggestions on all that they send you. This little card. And then dreaded invoice. So I had asked for, in particular, a dress to wear New Year's Eve. We were going to go to a party New Year's Eve, and they sent me a dress, but I did not get to go to the New Year's Eve party. This is the Marnie knit dress by Maggie London. It is black and white. It's got this pattern. I'm not sure what you would call that, but and then it's got this trim on the sleeves and also at the bottom of the dress. Next is this blouse by Daniel Rain, and it is the Marina tie detail top. And this is like a Kelly green, a forest green, with florals, kind of paisley. Long sleeves with buttons, and then the tie at the top, like Daniel Rains likes to do. This is the Bailey studded pullover sweater by Design History. Sorry, by Design History. I think this is cute. I like this. They're just little studs. Kind of pearlescent, kind of, down the front and down the sleeves. Super cute. This is Tribal, or the Fia straight leg trouser by Tribal. Just to pull up a little bit of dressy, cute. I like it. It's got front pockets. Well, no, not really. You can put a pencil in it, but they're tacked. Yeah, keep your pencils right there. And then last, they sent me the Liverpool Faye straight leg jean. They know I like Liverpool, and I wanted black jeans. I don't have black jeans. These are cute. I will go try them on and see what we think. Okay, this is the Marnie knit dress by Wisp, and I asked for a dress, as I said, to wear to a party, and this probably would have worked fine. I've got booties on, like little sock booties that have heels. I would have worn better leggings than I have on, or hose and black pumps. I like the style of it. It's super comfortable. I would have just dressed it up with the booties or the pumps, and then probably worn dressy earrings. There's a lot going on in the front that I don't know that I would have put a necklace with it. But I do like the 2 patterns. I like the little keyhole in the neckline. I think it's really pretty, but I didn't keep it because I didn't love it that much. I don't know that it was that flattering on me, but it's very comfortable and very cute, I think. Next are the Face straight leg jean by Liverpool, and I really like them. They're very comfortable. They're very stretchy. They're a lot more dressy. They're not jean. They're not like black denim. They're they're dressier, and I really like them. I like the fit. I like the way they feel, and I like them. Liverpool is always a good brand for me. This is the Marina tie detail top by Daniel Rain. It's a really pretty blouse to me, one of his prettier ones. I absolutely love that color green. I just think it is such a pretty, rich color. Very pretty for fall or winter. Got the tassel at the end of the tie front, of course. Buttons at the sleeves. It has the kind of paisley, kind of floral pattern on it that's kind of interesting. And next are the Fia straight trouser by Tribal. And I like them. They're, again, very stretchy and comfortable. They're pull-on. They're a shorter length than the Liverpool jeans, but just a little bit dressier, and then dressy with the sweater. But I like them. I think they're very cute. I like the length. I really like everything about them. And finally is this Bailey studded pullover by Design History for $78. Again, I think it's really pretty. The neck comes up pretty high. It's not super soft, but I do like the studded, the buttons. They're kind of pearlescent. From a distance, they kind of do look like studs, so it looks a little edgy, but I think these could be dressed up if you needed to. Okay, let me give you some thoughts, my final thoughts. I think this is cute. This dress, oops. It's very comfortable. Can be dressed up or down. I don't think I'm gonna keep it. Have this Daniel Rain. I think it's pretty. I think the pattern is pretty. I like the color. Pretty fall. We're in winter now, but pretty colors. Not gonna keep this. This one I thought was pretty. This is kind of right up my alley with the black sweater, and then I think these are really pretty. But it came up really high around the collar, and it was really, I didn't have it on that long, and it was really bothering me. It is 62% acrylic, 38% recycled polyester. So I won't keep this because it would really be uncomfortable, and I'm sure it would be like super red by the end of it. Okay, these two pants, they're so similar as far as looks that I definitely want to keep one of them. I think I'm going to keep the Liverpool. They were more comfortable. They came up higher. They were more of a high waist. This might have been a mid-rise, I don't know, but they just were not as comfortable. They're not as dressy, or they're not as nice, of course, as Liverpool. I love these, and I will probably keep these. I was just offered the Style Pass. Super excited about that. And I have a $59 credit now. So that may tempt me to keep the dress and the Liverpool pants, but we'll just have to see. But that is it for this. I'm sorry, I'm so crooked. Wow. That is it for this Stitchfix unboxing. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you next time. Bye, y'all.